Welcome to this tutorial on building a data analysis and visualization app using Streamlit. In this project, we'll be creating an interactive app that allows users to upload datasets, view basic statistics, and create visualizations. This app is perfect for anyone looking to analyze data quickly and with minimal code. Let's get started. To begin, let's import the libraries we'll need for this project. We'll be using Streamlit for our interface, Pandas for handling data, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualizations. Make sure to have these libraries installed before we proceed. Here's the code to import them. Now, let's set up the title and description for our app. This is where you introduce your app's purpose. We'll use stTitle to display the app title and stWrite for a brief description of its functionality. Let's add these elements now to welcome users to our app. Next, we're adding a file upload feature. This feature allows users to upload a CSV file, which our app will read and process. To do this, we'll use stFile_uploader, specifying CSV as the file type. When a file is uploaded, the app will load it as a Pandas data frame and display the first few rows so users can preview their data. This is a great way to make your app interactive. Now, onto the fun part, data visualization. In this step, we're giving users options to visualize their data using histograms and scatter plots. First, we'll use a drop-down to let users select a column for a histogram. Then we'll plot the histogram with a KD curve for easy data analysis. After that, we'll add a scatter plot option where users can select X and Y columns. These visualizations make it easy to spot trends and patterns in the data. Now, onto the fun part, data visualization. In this step, we're giving users options to visualize their data using histograms and scatter plots. First, we'll use a drop-down to let users select a column for a histogram. Then we'll plot the histogram with a KD curve for easy data analysis. After that, we'll add a scatter plot option where users can select X and Y columns. These visualizations make it easy to spot trends and patterns in the data. And there you have it. We've created a fully interactive data analysis app using Streamlit. This app includes a file uploader, basic data statistics, and visualization options for histograms and scatter plots. This is a powerful yet simple tool for exploring data, and it's easy to expand on if you want to add more features. Congratulations on completing this Streamlit data analysis and visualization project. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of building an interactive app, including setting up the app structure, loading and displaying data, showing basic statistics, and visualizing data with customizable charts. This app is a powerful foundation for analyzing datasets and gaining insights quickly and interactively. With this project, you've gained hands-on experience in using Streamlit and learned how to build dynamic, user-friendly applications for data analysis. I hope this project has inspired you to explore more with Streamlit Maybe even add new features like advanced filtering, multiple chart types, or data transformation options. Thanks for following along, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more projects like this. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. Keep building, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!